Kiev is the capital and largest city of Ukraine, a place rich in history and culture. Kiev is located in the northwest of the country and is important as the political, economic and cultural center of Ukraine. Here is more information about Kiev. History and culture. Kiev has been an important settlement since the Middle Ages and is a center of Ukraine's cultural and historical heritage. The city has been under the influence of many civilizations, creating a rich cultural mosaic. Golden Gate. One of the symbols of Kiev, the Golden Gate is part of the city's medieval fortifications. This historic building is an important landmark of Kiev's medieval period. Kiev-Pechersk Lavra. This monastery complex is one of the most important religious and historical sites in Kiev. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it includes historic monastery buildings and underground caves. Independence Square, located in the center of Kiev, Independence Square, Maidan Nezalezhnosti, is an important symbol of Ukraine's independence movements. The square has hosted various events, festivals and protests. Street, Sofia. These green areas are popular for their natural beauty and outdoor activities. Kiev is a fascinating city that combines history, culture, art and natural beauty. It offers visitors the opportunity to discover both its historical riches and the charm of modern life. Andrievsky Uzviz. This historic street and walking alley is one of the most famous areas of Kiev. Here you can find shops selling handmade products, artworks and traditional Ukrainian souvenirs. Bessarabsky Market, located in the center of Kiev, Bessarabsky Market is a market selling fresh fruits, vegetables, seafood and traditional Ukrainian food. Taras Shevchenko Park. This large park is located in the center of the city and is famous for its green spaces, ponds and sculptures. It is a popular place for recreation and outdoor activities for locals and visitors alike. Dnieper River. Kiev is built on the Dnieper River and is perfect for riverside walks and boat trips. It is also a place with spectacular views of the city. Kiev is a fascinating city as one of the cultural, historical and economic centers of Ukraine. It offers visitors an unforgettable experience with its historical richness, cultural heritage, delicious food and various events.